Python is a popular open source programming language. It is used for development, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. It means that Python is a most popular programming language which is used in the web development, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. Python can be used on server to create web applications. Different types of applications are made of this Python. Python can be used alongside us software to create workflows. Different types of workflows are produced by the help of Python. It can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. It can be used in the different types of computer science for handling big data mining types data mining. It can be used for rapid prototyping or production ready software development. It means that it is used for rapid production of different types of softwares, applications, etc. Why Python? Python works on different platforms. It can be works on Mac, Windows, Linux, in different types of platform. It can easily work. Python has a simple syntax similar to English structure. It means that it's a very easy English-like structure which can be easily readable to human beings. Python can be treated in a producer way or object-oriented way or functional way. Python can be treated as producer way, means it can be used as C programming. That is very easy language. Object-oriented programming like C++, Java, etc. And functional way. Syntax of Python. Python syntax can be executed directly, writing directly in the command line, like print hello world. This will produce hello world. Exactly same. Or by creating a Python file on a server using .py extension and running it on the command line. Means we can write it on the server by saving a file hello.py like here python hello.py, and we can execute it on the command line, so we'll get result. Python indentation. Indentation is very important in Python. Indentation refers to a space at the beginning of the code line. It means that while doing a Python programming, we'll need indentation here. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of codes. If we execute some statement or loops, we use indentation here to know that it can indicate the block of code. Whereas in other programming language, the indentation in the code is for readability only for readability in other programming language. The indentation in Python is very important, otherwise you will get error. Means example 1, if 5 is greater than 2, print 5 is greater than 2. Here is not an indentation, so this example results error, gives error. Next example, example 2, if 5 is greater than 2, and we will give here indentation, so print 5 is greater than 2. This will give correct answer, that is the 5 is greater than 2. Indentation in Python is done by pressing one tab or four spaces. If you press one tab here, then you will get indentation. Otherwise, you will have to press 4 times space bar. Then you will get the result or indentation. This is for today.